This week you will learn more about payments by a salesperson, how to add and capture payments for a collector run, and much more. This tutorial will include the following: capturing payments for a collector run, adding a post-dated check when capturing the collector run, adding a payment for a collector run, and lastly, authorizing a payment for a collector run. Welcome to today's tutorial. This is part 2 of the payment by salesperson in SYSPRO. So let's get started. We're going to start by going to Accounts Receivable, then we're going to go to Transaction Processing, and we're going to look for AR Collector Run Maintenance. Okay, there we have it. Okay, I am going to maximize my screen. Okay, so for collector run, we're going to enter our collector run code, then we're going to tap off. Okay, perfect. Then we're going to come all the way to this pane right here, and I'm just going to take this down so I can see everything. There we go, just a little bit. Okay, then I'm going to scroll all the way to collected, and I'm going to enter the total amount of total amount of 26400. Okay, perfect. Then let me just again take this up. Okay, then we're going to come all the way to the invoices, and now I'm going to select the invoices that are going to amount to the collected amount. Okay, so the invoice that we're going to start looking for is 1001, and we're going to then come on the cash collected section and enter the cash collected amount. Okay, then we're going to tap off to look for the next invoice, which is 100516. There we have it. Okay, and we're going to come to the checks collected, because this was collected by check, and we're going to enter the amount. Okay, perfect. Then we're going to click on verify, and then we're going to click yes, and then we're going to close this program. And that is how you capture payments for a collector run. We're going to start by going to Accounts Receivable, then we're going to go to Transaction Processing, and we're going to go to AR Collector Run Maintenance. I'm just going to maximize my screen. On Collector Run, I'm going to enter the Collector Run code, then we're going to tap off, and here on PD Collected, we're going to enter our post-dated check amount. Okay, then we're going to tap off to scroll down to collected and enter the total amount collected. Tap 14360. Then we're going to click on distribute PD checks. Okay, let's click again. There we go. Then the AR post dated checks window is going to appear. Then here we're going to just maximize it real quick. Here we're going to enter our customer code, then we're going to tap off to enter now our date. Then we're going to tap off to enter the check number. Okay, 9963. Then we're going to tap off to 99. Okay, there we go, 63. And then we're going to tap off to enter the amount. I'm going to now click on invoice. Then here I'm going to select a customer invoice. Okay, so the customer invoice is this one right here. And we're going to click select. Okay, and then we're going to enter the amount. 123. Okay, perfect. Okay. Okay, then we're going to click apply. And then we're going to click save. Okay, we're going to close this window. Then we're going to again look for the invoice 1000494. There we go. And we're going to enter the check collected amount. Okay, 14360. Okay, just double checking, then we're going to tap off, and then we're going to click verify, and we're going to click yes. Okay, then we're going to close this program. And that is how you add a post-data check when capturing the collector run. We have realized that half of our viewers are not yet subscribed, so we are going to give you an opportunity to subscribe. Thank you for subscribing. Now let's continue with the tutorial. We're going to start by going to Accounts Receivable, then we're going to go to Transaction Processing, and we're going to look for AR Payment Run. Okay, I'm just going to maximize my screen. On Transaction By, we're going to select Collector Run. And on the payment run, we're going to enter the payment run code, which is 2, and we're going to tap off to enter our reference. PR200. Okay, great. Then we're going to click on Create, and here we're going to enter our collector run number. Then we're going to tap off, and we're going to click OK. Okay. So let's start with the first one. We're going to come on the discount amount and put 0 to tap off. Okay, and let's see, discount amount 0. So this amount is 1. We're going to tap off there, and this amount is 2, 5, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to tap off. Okay, perfect. Then we're going to click on Save. Okay, then we're going to close this program, and that is how you add a payment for a collector run. We're going to start by going to Accounts Receivable, then we're going to go to Transaction Processing, and we're going to select AR Payment Run. Okay, I'm just going to maximize my screen. So here on Transaction By, we're going to again say Collector Run, and then here we're going to enter our payment run code, and then we're going to tap off. Okay, perfect. Then we're going to come here on Authorize, and we're going to click the download arrow, and then we're going to click on Approve. Okay, perfect. Okay, let's just double check there. Okay, great. And as you can see, the status is authorized. Then we're going to close this program, and that is how you authorize a payment for a collector run. We have reached the end of today's tutorial. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and comment which tutorials you'd like to see next. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of our uploads. Do connect with us on LinkedIn. The link is in the description below. Thank you for watching this tutorial.